Dear students, good morning to all of you. Are you okay? You will you will be thinking. I think every period sir is asking the same thing, whether you are okay or not. Okay means you are okay. You have to see the PDF. You have to watch the videos. That's why I ask. Are you okay? Means many of you are not watching the videos so far. Just we are checking and keeping your attendance. So some of you are not attending the class. So dear students, you are requested that you attend the class of all the subjects every day. You prepare your subjects for the final examination. Dear students, this is the continuation of the app development. The chapter is going on, that is now application development. So this is the continuation. The coming topic is the entertainment apps. So the topic is entertainment apps. So earlier we discussed about different types of the apps. Do you remember any name? What type of the apps we have discussed? No one. Just before this video, the video you have watched and the PDFs you have got. So do you remember something in your mind? Have you memorized something that what type of the application sir has already taught? Tell me. Not remember. Do you? So okay, that is the Facebook. We have taught one type of application, the social networking, that WhatsApp, and many more we have already discussed about the different type of the software. So the new software is entertainment app. Which app? Entertainment app. So dear students, entertainment, the word is coming means the enjoyment, to enjoy. Entertainment, just we are enjoying for anything that is we are entertaining, right? So here looking for some entertainment, if you have a smartphone, you will find a lot of entertainment apps on it. While many of these apps are free to use, some charge a fee for their premium services. If you wish to watch movies, catch up on your favorite TV serial, or watch some sports, you can install or use Hotstar. Hotstar is a one type of the application which is given in the smartphones, by the help of which we can see the different types of the activities, matches, TV serials, etc. are accessed by Hotstar. So the thing, whatever we are using for our entertainment, as I told you earlier, that something we are some applications we are using for education, some for banking, some applications we are using for the chatting like WhatsApp and Facebook, etc., Instagram. So like that, some applications are there which are used to entertain for the enjoyment of the different types of TV channels, different types of the sports channels, and cartoons, etc. So such type of the applications are known as the entertainment apps. This is the categories of the applications. Applications are the same thing, all are applications, but the categories are the different. So one of them is known as the entertainment apps. So my dear, I hope that all of you got the entertainment apps. Okay, entertainment apps are already stored in your smartphone, your mobiles. But if not, so you can download it from Play Store. That is the place from where the Play Store is the place from where we can install or we can upload. We can download any type of the software from the server. Okay. So some are payable, means some softwares are there which if you want to use, so you have to pay some money, and some are free, are coming with your mobile phone. Okay. So Hotstar entertainment apps, here you can see this is hot stall, some TV channels, etc. Sports, movies. So there are different types of the applications for the different purpose which we can enjoy, which we can entertain by the help of the entertainment applications on the smartphone. Okay. So banking and finance is the next point of this. Banking and finance. Banking, the activities, the work we are doing with the help of bank is known as the banking. For example, transaction of money, withdrawing of money, sending the money somewhere, or depositing the money in the bank, or different of the LIC, different of the deposits we are doing in the bank. So that is the banking system. And finance is the one type. This is also related to our economy and financial problems sometimes, or financial activities. These things are known as the banking and finance. Okay, finance. Almost all banks have their own apps today. Nowadays, you will see that we are doing different types of the activities and transactions with the help of the mobile, with the help of the laptop and desktop. Just sitting at home, and we are sending the money, we are receiving the money with the help of the some applications. So all the banks like Punjab National Bank, Maharashtra Bank, State Bank, Bank of Baroda, there are different banks, Allahabad Bank, HDFC Bank. So these banks are having their own software to manage their transactions, etc., to manage the accounts of their customers. So I would like to say that almost all banks have their own apps today. So that is banking and finance. You see, this is banking and finance. Banking and finance. This is the topic. So the activities of the bank are done by the applications are known as the applications of the banking and finance. So almost all banks have their own apps today. Apps means applications. While banks have had their online presence of some time, now the apps allow quick and easy access most of their services and products. Okay. Any type of the clearance of the check or any type of the sending of the money is being in very short time, quickly just sending and reaching to the account. Okay. So these activities are controlled by the application softwares. So all the banks having its own. Suppose Punjab National Bank having its own software, so SBI is having its own software. So all the banks having the applications are known as the banking and finance. Okay. One can check the balance in account, means you or I, anyone, if we are using internet, we are using the net banking, etc. So we are getting the facility from the bank according their applications. We can check our account balance, we can send the money from our account to others account, any other can send the money from his account to our account. So like that, this is one type of the transferring of the money or receiving of the money is very easy nowadays and very quick time. FDs, we are doing the fixed deposit also done by the controlled by the application softwares of the banking system. So check we are sending, check you are having, that is one check which is given by someone. After that we are going and withdrawing from the bank the money, we are transferring or we are submitting for getting in our account. So that is also controlled by these application softwares are used for the banking and finance system. Okay. Draft means all the activities whatever we are going to do in the bank's manual, that is done by the applications. Nowadays you will go and see it is very easy. All the employees of the bank are having one computer with them and they are doing all the activities by the help of the computer, which was already done by manually. means the person was doing and it was taking too much time. Okay, so now what is this is time, this is the era of the computer, this is era of the application softwares in which we are getting different of the facilities. So one of that is this facility is also available. So dear students, this chapter I want to know this is related to the application software. So application software, you know, this is the software developed by the programmers for the different purpose. There are different of the software. Okay, so dear students, you watch the video twice thrice, you get the 100% succeed, 100% understanding, then okay. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, you can clarify by any means. You are having our number, etc. You can contact. So dear students, take care, have a good day. Thank you very much.